Welcome you all. Today we are going to talk about another idiomatic expression, and that is his bark is worse than his bite. This is also an adverb which the same mean. The person's actions will not be as severe as the things that were said. काटे कम भौंके ज़्यादा, ऐसे लोग जो झल्ले हों मगर नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाएं, यानी कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनका बोलना उनके अमल से उनके काम से ज़्यादा ख़तरनाक होता है, वहाँ पे ये हम इडियम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ इट इन सेंटेंसेस लाइक डोंट लेट हर फ्राइटन यू, हर बार्क इज़ वर्स देन हर बाइट. So we have used here her bark is worse than her bite. Here is another sentence or situation where we could use this idiom. The boss seems mean, but his bark is worse than his bite. So once again we have used here his bark is worse than his bite. So this is how we are going to use this a proverb and an idiomatic expression into the sentences.